Here's Frankenstein, our LS swap Mustang. Like I said, we got the transmission out right now because it's a little issues with the clutch. So let's go give it a little cold start. I like to hear a good cold start. So let's get this ignition on, fuel on, and let's go for a little start. Alright guys, so if you guys want to see this car here, run the drag strip, listen, join the family, subscribe to the channel. We're going to get this thing nitrous, then we're going to go turbo, maybe a little bit of both nitrous and turbo, who knows. But that'd be next year. Right now we're just going to get the, like I said, the transmission fixed up. But join the family and see this thing grow to what it's going to be.